gamers. Today
gamer moment.
It's Christmas Eve, the 24th. Tomorrow's Christmas, and that means it's the last day of our Christmas advent calendar series.
Tomorrow's Christmas, Emma. Anyway, so be sure to subscribe. So on the 26th, the day after tomorrow, you can catch our Christmas video because we're uploading it a day after Christmas.
Because everyone's busy.
Yeah, so 26th, we're uploading a Christmas video. And if you haven't watched all the other advent calendar videos, be sure to peep those out if you're interested in seeing what else happened. A lot of it's from cool brands, though. We're not trying to get you to buy stuff. They just sent us stuff, and we appreciate it, so we put it in the calendar. Box 24 is right there.
Yeah, I can totally reach that
It's
one.
the one that says 24 on it. While Jonah's getting the ladder from heaven, in each of these compartments, we have 5 gifts for 5 children, because our mom has 5 kids. We've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3, we got 4, and 5 over there. So, let's go ahead and open this baby on up and grab 5 presents.
Let's crack this puppy open.
Numbers.
There we go. All right. So first thing we got this Victoria's Secret bag. Why?
That's Noah.
Oh, this is Noah's.
Oh, wow.
Noah.
What could possibly be in there? Probably a lot of Victoria's Secret stuff. I need a bunch of underwear for this.
It's a secret.
Have patience.
You know what? Fine.
He can have
All right.
Alright, first of all, I've got some Ritz crackers because Micah really wants them. Okay, sorry. Excuse me. Okay, so first off,
Micah, I'll open them for you.
Somebody open these crackers for Micah.
Micah is so impatient. Alright guys, first of all, we got ourselves some fancy salami. It's Columbus brand Italian dry salami.
Fancy.
Yeah, fancy smancy salami. Next up, we've got some Boar's Head uncured sopressadas dry sausage. I love food.
Noah really likes salami.
I
So
like
it's
salami.
it's a good gift. Don't be
And I like cheese, and this is my favorite brand of brie. And you brie aficionados out there might be like,
all of them.
well, Le Bon V is kind of like a young brie. It's not really aged that much. Well, I mean,
He begs to differ.
I can't really find. Our local Kroger doesn't have very many aged brie. And this one is my favorite tasting one from there. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by young brie.
Oh dang, he's going. He's popping off.
So,
Everybody, get ready to learn about cheese.
on a young
I
brie.
better sit down for this one.
Actually, yeah, this one is a bit aged.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I've actually opened one of these before and it was like completely white on the top. But if you see little lines and stuff like brown lines, it's obviously a little bit
You're gonna
aged.
take a bite of it?
Especially on the side where it's a
You
little
take
bit
a
brown.
big
You
old
take a
bite
bite?
of that.
And tell them that you're weird. Yes, you eat the wax.
No, I like it.
It's not
It's
wax,
not
it's called a
wax,
rind.
it's
This is penicillium. It's good for you to eat.
I like it.
It's like a probiotic.
I want some of that. Coming off a piece.
Who else just takes a bite of a brie block?
Yeah, that's.
I'd do it.
I don't eat.
Yeah.
I don't eat cheese
Yeah.
and meat by themselves. That's a bit weird to me.
It's really good. If you guys want good brie, check out Le Bon V. They make good stuff. Thank you, parents, for getting me this brie and sausage. And I know a lot about brie because I've researched it. If any of you guys are coming here from France and you want to import in some illegal brie, get me that brie noir.
Illegal brie.
No
Who
brie
smuggles
smuggling.
cheese into the country?
Don't tell anyone, but I really want someone to smuggle brie in for me.
Who smuggles cheese into the country?
Noah.
Some people do. I went on like forums once, and they were like talking about how like smuggled like pounds of brie in, and I was like, nice.
All right, let's move on. We got.
Micah.
I think it's because you can't have like unpasteurized brie over here.
I opened the box.
Look.
Okay.
This is Botley, a coding robot from Learning Resources. So thank you, Learning Resources, for the free product.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Micah, that ended the world.
That was
Open it and
not
show it to
cool.
Micah.
Micah,
Micah,
you
don't
do
shoot
realize
that
that this is
comic.
the largest advent calendar in all of reality, and by you doing that, you just shattered a couple universes.
Okay, Micah, let's.
Just a couple.
Micah, let's see the baba.
Only product, so.
We're gonna figure this out, and then we'll run some B-roll of that.
Look, Micah, follows the line.
Wow, pretty cool. Wow, that works actually
What's
really
this remote
dang
do?
good.
It does.
Oh no, I was gonna. All right. He's going. All right. So next we got Lucas gift. he got a little teether thing, and this is Ritzy. So thanks Ritzy for the free product. They've given us like everything. So next we got Emma's gift,
My gift.
which is a whole keyboard.
A whole entire keyboard.
Also, before you complain about the price or anything, my parents and I are both paying for it, so they're helping me buy it while I also buy it. So it does count as a gift. So, it's a Razer Black Widow quartz keyboard. It's pink and it's pretty,
So limited
and
edition.
it lights up. I don't think it's limited edition.
It's like a
Tournament edition Chroma V2.
Tournament edition, you win all the games with that, Emma.
Yeah!
It's very pretty and it lights up rainbow. I love it. I just really like the color pink, and I thought having a pink keyboard would be very nice because I was just using a very flat, boring keyboard. But
While you play Roblox, right?
Yeah. you
this
gotta
will be
put-
great for all
you
my
got-
Roblox games.
Yeah, you gotta get them Wolf-Life 2 controls down.
It's Wolves Life too, not
Oh,
Wolves.
sorry.
It's multiple.
Sorry.
Thank you, parents, for paying for some of this.
You're welcome,
and
we're
giving
awesome.
me it as a gift. It's very pretty and nice. Thank you.
Alright, last one is mine. So what I got is the new Pokemon game, which is Pokemon Let's Go Eevee, because I like the Eevee one better because he's got cute hair. Better hair than Pikachu, in my opinion. So thank you to our parents for this wonderful gift of Pokemon. It's great. I'm gonna play it right now. Thank you, family, for the free product. I will play it. Ooh, I should taste it.
What?
What? Have you not heard of the Switch console game tasting? Anyone want to taste it?
I haven't. I'm like the only person who hasn't
Here,
played
taste it. This one's fresh.
I know how they taste.
This one's fresh.
I don't want to do it.
It's fresh.
I don't.
They taste very bitter.
Yeah.
They're supposed to. They do that so that babies don't eat them. So they like put them in their mouth and they're like.
Try it,
"Ew."
Jonah.
All right.
Because they're such tiny cartridges.
Mmm. Yum yum.
Alright, so thank you to Ritzy, Learning Resources, and our parents for all the gifts in today's episode. Tune in next year for the same exact series. But also, we do videos year round if you're new here. We do food advent calendars where we don't open them over a day's thing, but we
It's
might
like
do.
24 in one compartment. It's like one video and we open them up and eat the food in it.
But we also might do other holiday calendars where we do like each day
Like
thing.
Valentine's
Yeah.
Day
Easter.
and Easter and Halloween and Panda Express.
If you'd like, you can suggest us videos in the comments.
Yeah, what advent calendar do you want to see?
What advent calendars, what other videos, challenges, makeup, anything.
And
Suggest us
be
things.
sure to watch on the 26th of December so you can see our Christmas video if you're interested in that.
Thanks for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, epic gamers.
Click these rectangles to watch the videos and click this circle to subscribe.